Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Garrett County in central Kentucky, Clark County in central Kentucky, Jessamine County in central Kentucky, Nicholas County in central Kentucky, Harrison County in central Kentucky, North Central Lincoln County in central Kentucky, Eastern Mercer County in central Kentucky, Eastern Woodford County in central Kentucky, Central Scott County in central Kentucky, Bourbon County in central Kentucky, Central Boyle County in central Kentucky, Madison County in central Kentucky, Fayette County in central Kentucky, until 7 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northwest of Cynthiana to 8 miles southwest of Danville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lexington, Richmond, Georgetown, Nicholasville, Winchester, Danville, Paris, Harrodsburg, Cynthiana, and Lancaster.